Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate and customize QR codes directly within Canva. Let's get started. First, open your Canva project. You can either start a new design or choose an existing one where you'd like to add your QR code. Once you're in your design workspace, head over to the Apps tab on the left sidebar. Now, under the Create Something New section, look for QR code. If it's not immediately visible, just type QR code into the search bar to find it quickly. Click on it to open the QR code generator. Next, you'll see a field where you can enter the URL you want your QR code to link to. Simply type or paste the web address, and you're ready to move on to customization. Canva allows you to tweak the look of your QR code to better fit your design. You can change the background color, foreground color, and even adjust the margin size. If you're looking for more advanced features, like adding a logo to the QR code or making it dynamic, you might want to connect a third-party app like Hovercode or QR Tiger. Once you're happy with your setup, go ahead and click Generate Code. Canva will automatically add the QR code right onto your design. You can then drag it around, resize it, and place it wherever it looks best. And that's it. When you're done, download your design in JPG, PNG, or PDF format, or use Canva Print if you want professional prints with your QR code included. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva tips and design tutorials. Thanks for watching.